The Nérobi-Mombasa standard gauge railway in Kenya is a flagship project of the China-proposed Belt and Road Initiative. Passenger train service on the 480-kilometer railway was launched on May 31st, 2017. By mid-2023, more than 10 million trips had been made, and more than 25 million tons of goods had been delivered on the railway, which has driven the economic and social development of areas along the route in Kenya.
Since that time, all the way to the partnership that has delivered the SGR and the expressway in Nairobi, you can see clear outputs of Kenya-China diplomatic ties and development cooperation. It can only get better because we share so much in common.
In Kenya, one of what I would call signature projects is the SGR, Standard Gauge Rail, which runs from Mombasa to Nairobi. It has cut the time that it takes for a train to travel from Mombasa to Nairobi from 12 hours. Now one can do it in about 6 hours. So the Belt and Road Initiative is a mutual program that brings these countries together to agree on a common platform, to engage, to continue to support and also enable multilateralism to flourish, and also to bring about better development within the region that Belt and Road Initiative covers.
They have helped my country, especially Kenya, when it comes to the issue of the SGR, which has been one of the brainchild of the Belt and Road Initiative. It has helped Kenya to grow in terms of its GDP, in terms of it expanding its transport, and also easing of goods and all that.